You know what? I was looking at that whole situation about the white people in Arkansas, and they was moving out to the Ozarks, and so basically what happened
All of them, yeah,
was,
they just make it all white town.
yeah, they was
Boy,
making
I
all
wish I
white
could go.
town.
Oh, I wish I could move in with that. I wish I could bleach it. I wish I could take a pill to be white to go live there. Man, I want to experience
Hell
that as a white
no.
man. God
We
damn
sure
shit.
not.
What do you think that'll be like?
Heaven. I think they gonna end up building streets that's made of gold. I think some kind of way they gonna find a way to put milk and honey in that
We
little
sure
river they
not.
gonna be having. Man, I'm gonna be keeping my own, y'all. Man, just please make an exception for one nigga, please. And I ain't gonna be trying to fuck y'all wives and y'all daughter. I'm bringing my own partner so we don't fall out by nothing.
Why do you why do you think that black people were so mad that they want to create their own towns
Man,
and they
you know
want
black.
Oh, okay. Because at first I was just like, what the hell are they talking about? So, I thought, did he say Mississippi or Arkansas? Anyway, so it was a spot where, and I think this was a church. Was this a church? Anyway, they're. I'm not even gonna say they're trying to come up with a community. They actually have a little small community where it's only white people. Only white people. Only white people are allowed in their little town, and they done bought like I don't know hundreds of acres, I believe, of land, and they're literally building a city or a space just for white people. Nobody else of any other race is welcome. Just white people. And yeah, a lot of people in the uproar. They were upset about it. Me, I personally don't give a damn. If you made, whatever you do with your money is what you do. Now, if this is going to be some type of hate group, that's one thing. But if you just want to be around, white people or whatever, I'm all for it. Go ahead and do you, man. Like with the way that everything is going right now, I completely understand. Like even my family, we were thinking about making or buying some land and starting a little compound. And they're thinking, so we can be around each other, which I agree with, but the type of stuff that you see out here is crazy. The things that you see in school, the type of content, you know what I mean, through Netflix, Disney Plus, like it's a lot of stuff that I don't agree with. Like them just putting, that LGBTQ crap in every single last TV show. I mean, you can't watch anything today without them just inserting it into the freaking story, and it makes absolutely no sense. And so, building a compound or a space to where you can have people around you, a family, a community of people around you that think like you, that know and understand. Like, I want to instill certain things into our children, into our nieces, our nephews, and build up that strong foundation so they can know and understand family, community, structure, and teach them a lot of things that they're not getting in today's society. Right? Listen, we're working on it. We are literally working on it right now. So I I don't think anything is bad about that. As long as they not out here trying to do anything to harm anybody else. They just want to be to their damn self. Let them people live.
People know they can't make it without white people. They feel left out. If the white man ever try to leave us, nigga go be mad. Cause it's a clear example. They trying to leave us. They trying to go
I'm
build
not
their
mad.
own community.
I'm not mad.
And these
I'm not
niggas
mad.
mad. Don't nothing satisfy us, my nigga. Nothing. Homie,
I'm good.
nigga, this ain't it, man. Man, to each with their own kind at this point.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And nigga, your kind ain't color. Your kind is mindset. That just so happen to be a group of all people got the same skin color with the same mindset.
There you go.
But nigga,
I just
Umar
said it.
talking to Pan African talk.
I just said it.
No snow bunny. So it's
I just said that's pretty much what it is, man. Like, listen, we gravitating towards. I mean, I guess we all do got the same skin color, but it's about mindset and putting those values into the younger generation growing up. Whatever everybody else got going on outside this community is what they got going on. I don't have anything, you know what I mean, against it. I just don't want that to come in between what we are trying to do, what we're trying to build. I want to get back to being able to, watch certain TV shows, being able to actually enjoy a movie or enjoy music without them again just inserting that BS in everything.
no difference. They saying no chocolate. Yeah, they don't want no chocolate milk. They don't want no chocolate milk. Yeah, this
No,
is
no
all
other kind of
cow
milk.
milk.
You
So
think
yeah,
they're gonna be successful over
they
there?
gonna be very successful.
I don't see why they want.
Nigga,
I
they
don't
gonna
see
be
why they
very.
want.
Now they go hire some Mexicans and do some work, but they ain't gonna just do it our party. Say, you know they gonna slide some Indians in there too, and some Spanish. Yeah, nigga, white men, yeah, they know what to do. They know how to rebuild and build a country. They know how to start from the dirt and the ground up. We the ones don't know how to do it.
No, I don't agree with that. I don't agree with that. What do you think we were doing? Over there in Africa and stuff like that, dog. If one thing I will say about black people is, if you really study our roots, we definitely know how to build. We know how to get out there. We know how to grind. We know how to build things from the ground up, which is why, honestly, they needed us in order, because this country would have never been what it is today without black people,
You mentioned Umar Johnson,
our
and
ancestors.
I don't know what's going on with his school, but I know that
You
it
know
was
what's
like
going on in school.
Yeah,
It ain't
yeah,
been built.
yeah.
ain't nobody seen the classroom. Just seen the flag hanging out, flying in front of that.
He been talking about it for 15 years, 16
Uh,
years or something like that.
Yeah. He been lying. And nigga results is everything.
Yeah.
Facts.
Yeah, results is
What
everything.
I
I ain't
always
never
say.
seen a nigga build nothing begging. Other than Joel Osteen. But his daddy passed him to church.
Yeah, that is true.
His daddy passed. I ain't never seen a nigga build nothing begging.
He and now you know what his latest thing is. He's offering $500 dates to women. He said that if you give them if women make a $500 donation to the
Stop
school,
playing.
he'll take them out to the restaurant of their choice. That's the
Oh,
latest.
you talking about
pitch.
Umar?
Man,
Okay,
they
yeah,
supposed
yeah,
to be arresting him. That's he's secretly trying. That's sex. He's trying to be a sex worker on the cool. Man, that nigga trying to redress a sex worker.
That's what
Who
it
paying
is.
$500
That's
for a
facts.
nigga? Man, he
That's
trying to
facts.
redress sex workers. Get that sex working. Nigga paying $500 for them to come to have dinner with him, and they got to drive and travel to him. They got to
That's
cross state lines to
crazy.
do it.
Yeah.
That's why the FBI on them right now. They'll seize all this shit.
But listen. I mean, when you think about OnlyFans, when you think about people that get on here and literally say, "I'm not doing this unless you pay my bills, unless you pay for my nails," and all, what do you call that? Like that's literally what was pretty much been monetized now. And isn't that so freaking crazy? Like, you got people that do stuff like this in person that will literally get locked up for it. But if you go online and you do this stuff online, it's legal?
Hey, you
Crazy.
can't listen, man. What type of nigga? Listen,
Crazy. Think about
the
it.
black community think me and Dr. Umar is a hell of a nigga. No bullshit. Sometimes they want me and him to sit down so bad together because they think he a hell of a nigga and they think I'm a hell of a nigga.
Would you ever sit down with him?
For the right amount of money? Yeah, I can't, because I won't embarrass him.
Mm.
Because I know he's nothing what he's professing to be. That's why he won't sit down with me. Homie, I can document. I can give you documentations. I can go get families. I can go niggas who done been in court. There's a guy by the name of Julius Williams. They call him Juju. Because of my party affiliation and because of my youth work in the community, this guy had came home from federal prison out of Stop 6. He got one of the meanest motherfucking federal probation. Had all them niggas that had crime. He get caught with an ounce of heroin, throwing it out the window on federal probation. He went and got a lawyer by the name of Lisa Pamplin. Lisa Pamplin know me. She stood up in court lying at the time. Bitch was lying. Cause I ain't know Juju. I knew of him, but I didn't know him. Bitch stood up in court and said, Your Honor, my client works with, because I know the Republican judge and prosecutor. My client works with Charleston White over in the Stop 6 community with hyped about hype. The prosecutor said, show us some evidence, Lisa. Hey, they took 25 to life off the table. This nigga right now is on 10-year probation because his lawyer called me in court. Hey, say, Blue, man, listen, you know Juju? I said, yeah, I done heard of him. He said, he know you. Say, man, listen, man, you can get some money out this nigga, man. Say, I said, man, I'm not letting go do that, man. Hell no. I said, no, what you said his name was? She said, Juju out of Stop 6. I said, no, man, I ain't gonna lie for that nigga, Lisa. Man, last year, that nigga came through and spent about, man, $2,000-$3,000 on some kids buying the motherfucking Michael Jordan too. Hell yeah. She said, you got the mamas and the kids. So I went and got the kids and the mama. They took that 25 to life. Homie, it ain't what you know, it's who you know.
Yeah.
So I'm saying, I got all this documented. if you sit me down with that nigga, I can go get some sign-in sheets where them kids was signing in for my summer program when we were feeding them. He ain't got no sign-in sheet. One thing we know about a doctor, you got to have some sign-in sheet. Every goddamn doctor, dentist office got a sign-in sheet because that's how you get your funding in your side. This is documentation.